What's good, YouTube? It's Kiss My Jump Man. I'm back again with another rolling video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all the high hemp organic hemp wraps. This right here is the berry flavor. These are 100% organic hemp wrap. It's vegan, GMO free, tobacco free. It comes with 2 wraps, 2 filters, and it's a product of Amsterdam. So today y'all gonna check me out, see how I roll these things. Now this is not my first time trying them. I've been smoking these things on and off for like the past month maybe. I just started working at a smoke shop, so I'm being exposed to different type of wraps and whatnot. Usually I'm just smoking on grab a leaf. I mean, that's what I've been smoking since high school. I probably started off with like Dutches, moved to backwoods, white boys, rolling with papers. And it never was really my style. I tried it a couple times. I don't really know how to roll those. If I happen to have to roll with a white boy, I just try my best. I just roll it like a blunt. They never come out pretty and shit, but yeah. This is what I usually smoke, grab a leaf. You could check out my other video. I did a video how to roll a grab a leaf, but today we rolling with the high hemps. So we have the high hemps, we have our bud grinder. Of course, you're gonna grind the bud. So like I said, this is not my first time trying the high hemp. I tried the grape flavor. The Hubba Bubba flavor was pretty cool. It tastes just like Hubba Bubba. I tried the lemonade flavor. I didn't really like that one. And I said grape already. But I have to try mango. I didn't try the original yet. But yeah, there's hella flavors to try. But the berry one tastes really good too. Alright, so let's get this opened. Well, let me give y'all a little overview of the packaging. So we have here berry high hemp organic wraps, and it says CBD plus. I mean, I'm guessing, it's infused with CBD. I'm not really sure how to tell, because when I've tried like CBD gummies and I hit a CBD pre-roll, I mean, I didn't really feel much. I think I felt mellow. I don't know, but yeah. So it says vegan, organic wrap, 100% GMO free, tobacco free, like I said. So yeah, let's get into the contents. So this is how the wrap will come, wrapped around these little cardboard things. It comes with 2, like I said. I only need 1 right now. And these are the wraps that it come with. I'm not gonna be using the wraps in this. I mean the filters. Did I say the wraps? Okay, this is these are the tips that it come with, people. Sorry, these little paper tips that it come with, but I'm not gonna be using these because I'm gonna be using glass filters. But yeah, and it smells great too. Like I said, the berry one smells really good. I love it actually. Yum, delicioso. Okay, where's my glass tip? Yeah, I done got a little bougie. I love these glass filter tips. I originally was never rolling with tips in the first place, not even paper tips, but I got introduced to the glass ones, and they're just super cool to use. So yeah, get you some, guys. Okay, as far as the wrap is concerned, these remind me of Dutches. Just like the feel and like the sturdiness of them. And even like when you break the Dutch down, it still like curls back up and stuff. So these really remind me of Dutches. Now, from what I remember with Dutches, they were pretty easy to roll. But these are kind of tricky. I mean, I still haven't mastered it yet. But I mean, I'm still gonna show y'all what I got because I'm a confident roller. Like, my shit still be hitting. You feel me? But yeah. Okay. So you put your tip in there if you have a tip. If you don't have a tip, it's okay. It's not a big deal. Oh shit. Get your butt in there. That should suffice. Get the bud spread out. Yeah, don't mind that mess. If you're a smoker, you know that always happens. I don't think anybody could cleanly roll a fucking blunt or a joint without having a weed falling out. But yeah. Okay, now, like I said, I'm not a pro at these. I'm still trying to master it, but I'm just gonna do what I always do with my grabbers. You know, I kind of just get everything aligned, get a little grip on it, tuck, and you know, flip it like that. And I just try to do that all the way down, you know, and then boom. I like to cut off excess paper because that's kind of a lot. It's probably not necessary, but that's just me. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna cut that off. And then just lick. It's coming out pretty nice actually. And just lick all the way to the top. That's what she said, but yeah. Such a cornball. But yeah, look at that. I mean, that's not pretty bad. What you think about that? That should look good, right? Yeah, man, that's how you roll a high hemp. Or that's how I roll a high hemp. It's not too shabby looking. I'm not gonna lie. Feels so much better than the grab leaf. Be feeling like I'm about to lose my life for the grab leaf. Organic wraps. I fuck with it.